Hey, what's up guys, this is Kirk here again, and this is the second lesson that I'm going to teach you how to make money online. Um, Rather than teaching you the how to get traffic, or the methods of getting traffic from the internet first, I would like to teach you how, what is lead capturing first, because as I said in the last lesson before, it is very important for you to have a very consistent sales funnel. You have to attract the right people, the right traffic to your right lead landing page, and then to see a right sales video or presentation video, and then you have to make your right email follow-up sequence so that you can make sales automatically. So I believe that to get traffic is it all depends on how you make your landing page. Okay, how you create your landing page and what kind of people you want to attract into your sales funnel. Okay, so I would love to teach you how you can create your landing page and what you should notice or consider when you create your own landing page, and how landing page work for you. Okay, so first of all, it's just to clarify something that in this online marketing world, some people call landing page, they also call it a squeeze page or squeezing page, or sometimes they call it a capturing page. Okay, but it's all the same. It's just something that look like this. Okay, there's a box on the page so that you can collect your prospects information. Sometimes you can collect the email only, and sometimes you can also let them to fill in their name, or even sometimes you can let them to fill in their phone numbers or even address. It all depends on how you're going to construct your sales funnel, whether you would like to call your prospect, whether you would like to mail your prospect. It all depends on how you design your sales funnel. But most of the time for me, I would just collect their email only, because it is easier to collect the opt-in rate. Opt-in rate means that the rate that they fill in the email will be higher if I just collect the email only. Okay, so this is a landing page. All right, so what kind of style of landing page should you use? Maybe if you have been working on this online marketing business or internet marketing business for a while, or if you have some experience, you may find there are different style of landing page. Sometimes they have videos on the landing page. Sometimes they're just words. Sometimes there are lots of words. Sometimes there are pictures, and you may see some some people, they use the landing page with very fancy or beautiful landing page with beautiful pictures. Sometimes they would have beautiful background videos. Lots of things, lots of different things in the landing page, and I understand that sometimes you will just feel confused that whether you should use which kind of landing page for your product. So right now I'm going to tell you what you should do. So first of all, to decide what the style of your landing page, you should define what kind of traffic are you getting. Okay, it doesn't mean that I'm not talking about whether you are getting traffic from blogging, or getting traffic from video, or getting traffic from some pay advertising methods. Not at all. But I'm going to talk. I'm talking about whether the traffic. We would just classify traffic in three types of traffic. Okay, So the first kind of traffic is hot traffic. So what is hot traffic? Hot traffic means that there are those people, they are already buyers, or even better, it is they have already buy from you. They are your customers. So it is hot traffic. So most of the time, if we want to sell hot traffic, if we want to get them into a sales video, we will not use a complicated or very detailed landing page. We don't need to give lots of information on that landing page. Why? Because hot traffic already, most of the time, or they're already your customers, right? So they already know who are you. They already know your personality. They already know what you're gonna do. They already buy from you. If you give them a very simple, with just a few words landing page, very straightforward, and telling them what they can get from this landing page, they will just opt in and see what you're going to sell, because you have credit, and they bought from you, and they know that you are giving value to them. Okay, so this is hot traffic. We only use simple landing page. Okay, so the second thing is warm traffic. So what is warm traffic? Warm traffic is people who are already in your email list. Okay, they stay in your email list. Sometimes they may buy a little things, maybe things that worth a few dollars from you, or sometimes they're not, but they stay in your email list. They open your email, they click on your link for a while. You may for a month or for a year. This is a warm traffic. They are your prospect. They already know who you are. They already know what you're selling. They didn't buy, but they still keep looking into an email. So that means that you are giving value to them. But it's just a matter that at this moment they didn't find anything they could buy from you. Okay, maybe your stuff is not exactly what they really want. Okay, but they still looking at you to see what you're going to sell, or maybe in the future you are going to sell something that they really want, and they will become your customers. Okay, so for warm traffic, also you don't need to put a very detailed with lots of word landing page in front of them. Maybe you put a simple video, and then maybe just a few lines of words telling them what they're going to see after they opt in, to see whether what kind of value you are going to offer them. Okay, so you may ask, if they're already in our list, or if they are already our customers, why we still need to make a landing page to let them to opt in, to let them to see offers? This is because you have to do needs how to say, needs classification. Okay, you have to be very clear that what kind of list are you are this kind of people, and then you lead them to a specific landing page with an expected information to put in front of them, and then you put the presentation video in front of them, and so that it would increase the conversion rate by using this classification methods. Okay, so this is why we need to clarify what kind of traffic you are getting. Okay, so of course the third one is cold traffic. Cold traffic must be some people that they didn't know you, and maybe it's the first time they come to your blog, or maybe you are using some pay advertising methods, so they click on your offer, and then they click on the they find your landing page, and they see something that you are offering them. Okay, so this kind of people, they don't have trust on you. You don't, you and them don't have a relationship between each other. So you have to use more information, more words, so that they know that what they are going to see, and they have an expectation that what they are going to see. Okay, so most of the time, I would use an very detailed landing page with lots of words, bullet points, telling them what they're going to see, what they're going to learn after they opt in this landing page and see the presentation video, what they are going to look into. And I would also state very clearly that whether this information would how this information would help them to get what they want. Okay, I would do it with very specific details of information to let them know what they're going to expect to see. And I don't mind that if I put too much information there, sometimes too much information, too much words may scare people off, and they will just go away and they don't subscribe into your email list. I don't mind that, because we make a landing page. Basically, we are trying to filter your prospect. Okay, we do, it's actually a filtration process. We want the exact people we want to subscribe into my email list, to look into the information they want to know, and so that they would be the most targeted prospect to look into my product, and so as to increase the conversion rate, right? We don't need people who don't want things from me. For example, in the online marketing business, or in the business opportunity market, there are so many people. Maybe they try to look for some business opportunity, and there's so many people they're looking for something that they can just push a button, maybe buy some paid traffic, and then they can make big money. Okay, they can get rich just overnight. But in reality, this kind of offer doesn't exist, right? And it's basically this kind of if someone tell you that you can do it, most of the time is scam. Okay, so I don't want this kind of people who don't want to work and just looking for a big fortune by clicking a one button. I definitely don't want these people to subscribe into my email list. I want people who are eager to work, who are looking for really building their own business online, building their own brand, building something on the internet so that they can make the money they want and to create the lifestyle they want. I want these people in my list. So I would stay very specific on the landing page, what it is going to tell you, what this is going to teach you, what this is going to help you to do whatever, blah blah blah, right? So this is how we attract cold traffic. Some people who didn't know me very well, and maybe their first time coming to my blog, maybe my video, and I will use this kind of landing page to attract them. Okay, so why not right now? Let me show you what landing page system I use, and let me introduce you what kind of maybe a few kinds of landing page that would attract different kind of traffic. Okay, so let's move on. So right now I'm using the system, a web-based landing page system called Megaphone. I find it is very easy to use, because it has quite a lot of different template for me to use, and it's very easy to set up. most of the time I could just click on the on the buttons, click a few buttons, and write the a few sentences that I want. Then I can build one new landing page. Okay, so why not we just go to see some landing page that really attract hot traffic and warm traffic. Okay, so this one. So this is a very simple landing page, and it don't have beautiful picture, beautiful background. Actually, the background of this, I think it is beautiful because it has some blurred, kind of pictures in the background, but it don't have any attractive, something like showing some people on the beach using their laptop, or some beach photos, or some fancy photo. It don't have it because statistics showed us sometimes, and actually most of the time, beautiful pictures would distract your prospect, and which would lower the opt-in rate. Okay, so this is funny because a few months before, I didn't learn about this strategies. So I was still using some pictures that showing maybe a big yacht, or maybe some pictures that is some people sitting on the beach using their laptop, something like that. The pictures are beautiful, but after I've tried a different kind of setting, like this one you're seeing right now, I find that without beautiful picture, my opt-in rate increased. Okay, so this is funny. So this is something that you should know. So not using a beautiful picture means that you are getting a high opt-in rate. Okay, so this one only allowed you to write a few sentences on the page. Discover how great landing page this design will improve your conversion. So this is a very simple sentence here, but most of the time I would use some title that will include some numbers. So maybe I would use discover how great landing page design will improve your conversion by maybe by 50%. Okay, or maybe I will use a three-step formula to teach you how great landing page design will improve your conversion by 50%. Because numbers definitely will increase your opt-in rate. Numbers will definitely increase your prospect to look into what you are going to give them, because it make it more specific. Okay, so I will encourage you to use title with some numbers. So any numbers you can add. Okay, so right here there are where should we send the report is a call to action, or most of the time I would telling those people straightforwardly, put your email in below, put your email below, put your best email below, and then I would disable this, enter your name, and then get access now. And there's something that you should know that this get access now call to action should be synchronized with maybe your thank you page. Maybe after people put their email into this box, and then they click get access now, then you may get them to your thank you page. Maybe the thank you page have a very short 1 or 2 minutes video, and you introduce yourself and telling them who you are, where you're from, what you do, to just building rapport. Okay, so after you build a rapport with this video, with that video in the thank you page, there most of the time there should be a button to lead them to another presentation video or to something that some information that you're going to show them. Okay, so that button, you must use the same call to action as the call to action in here. That means that you should put the same wordings, get access now, or maybe click the button here. Okay, this is statistics also show us that by using the same wording, actually they would click on it and continue to read your stuff, to watch your video with a higher rate. Okay, so this is some know-how and something that you should know to build your own landing page. Okay, so of course, if you are selling some business opportunity product or some affiliate product, you should have some income disclosure or or privacy policy here, to let people, just to protect yourself. Okay, because you don't want people to sue you, but if if you're not giving enough information here. So about this one, the settings is more or less the same than the one before. I showed you before, but this one have a very simple, but I think it's elegant, a bit grand background here, some black color but have some texture. This is a very simple and high converting landing page that you should use for warm traffic and hot traffic. Okay, because statistics also showed us that some people would not don't like fancy stuff. They think your fancy stuff is trying to distract them. Okay, so it also show us that by using a simple single tone background will increase the conversion rate. Okay, so this is funny because we try everything we can do to make our landing page look fancy, look very professional landing page, to look very attractive, but at the end it doesn't convert, just because of this little just very minor things that doesn't work. Okay, so how about I show you a landing page that is good for cold traffic. So any one of these 3 or 4. This one, I like this one very much because this is very simple. It is single tone, white color, simple and clear. I put a big title here, telling them, giving numbers, telling them what they would get by subscribing into my email list, by filling the information, how they can, how they can get, what they want, and then I would use this bullet point here to elaborate what kind of things they will learn after they subscribe into my email list, what information they will get after they subscribe into my email list. And this is very clear, and I would try to elaborate everything in detail here, as detailed as possible. Okay, and this one is good because it can also add a social proof here, and of course if you don't have any social proof, you can just disable these things here. So this one is very good for cold traffic, and most of the time I would just put a put your email here for call to action here, and then it has a very simple get it now call to action, and also you can change the wordings here. Very good. And also the button here is yellow button with white color words letter here, and yellow, orange, and red color is some colors that could attract people to click on the button in a higher rate. Okay, so this landing page with bullet point is definitely good for cold traffic. So let me find another one that is good for cold traffic. So this one. This one, although this one don't have bullet points and not giving you lots of space to write what you're going to tell them, but this one have a video here. In this video, you should tell people what they are going to learn after they subscribe into your email list, what value they can get, and what information they can get from here. And I would say this one converts very well because at least they can already see your person in this video, and they will learn that whether the information you're giving after they subscribe to your email list is something that they want or something that they need. And of course, showing your face on the video is something that you can build rapport with your prospect. So I would say building rapport is very important in making sales because even on the internet world, you want to buy from a people you like, right? And even most of the people, they don't want to show the face on the internet and just be a person hiding behind a computer. If you are willing to show your face on the internet, showing your personality, showing your manner, it will be something that people or your prospect appreciate. Okay, so this one, although it don't have lots of words for you to put in here, but it definitely good for cold traffic and warm traffic also. Okay, so let me see. So I believe that this 4 landing page that I just introduced you is something some very good information here. And if you want to look into this web system, you can just search Megaphone landing page, or maybe you can click the link below this video, and you can directly go into this page. And although I have already introduced you quite a lot of tips and know-how of how to create your landing page and how to attract different traffic, I really encourage you to learn all the things about landing page, and which this is one of the modules in the Empower Network Top Producer Formula product. There's one module that teaching you how you can build your landing page to attract different kind of traffic. What is the know-how, and what is the minor things that you should know before you build your landing page, so that you can maximize your opt-in rate, maximize your conversion rate. Okay, so that you can really make sales. Okay, before you learn how to get traffic. Okay, so you can also click the link below this video to find this top producer formula. It worth $500 US, but I believe that only this modules teaching you how to build a landing page already worth this 500 worth more than 500 US dollars. Okay, so if you're interested in it, you can just click the button below to buy this product. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, I will start teaching you how to get traffic and by blogging, of course. After that, then I will go back to email marketing so that you will know how to make a very consistent sales funnel by getting specific traffic with a specific email follow-up system. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'm seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.